Chicken in a basket, chicken in a basket. Dribbles grease through the gaps, which is tragic. And when it leaked on my trouser groin, it created a round oily circle between the loins. My equatorial was covered in grease, where the basket sat on the trouser crease. Over my strides while sat down, put it like this: if it was water, I would surely drown. Chicken in a basket nearly blew my gasket. When I stood up from the meal, it was drastic. My suits of polyester plastic did not look at all fantastic. I had a new girlfriend in tow. Oh yeah. And had to explain discreetly that we should hurriedly go. Hurriedly go, yeah. She walked out in front whilst we were mincing our shunts, so I would not bear the brunt of patrons and other drunks making remarks about me and my smoking wet trunks. Like more Morecambe wise, we walked in disguise, so not to advertise the scented graphic vividity of trouser grease for customers' eyes. Guitar. We managed to get back to her place. There was no mood or other to embrace. As I tried to erase the greasy chicken paste, much to her distaste. I don't remember seeing her after that, not even for an "I'm very sorry" chat. There is a moral to this mishap: if you don't want your girlfriend to give you a slap, don't consume a basket of chicken and chips on your lap. Chicken in a basket nearly blew my gasket. When I stood up from the meal, it was drastic. My suits of polyester plastic did not look at all fantastic.